After a dramatic few days in RTE, the turmoil continues apace. Staff there have complained about the lack of transparency and fairness around the process that was used to pick the new presenter roles in RTE Radio 1. There was a meeting on Monday of the NUJ RTÉ Newsroom chapel, which saw members there raising concerns in relation to the expressions of interest process that happened last summer. In correspondence seen by the Irish Independent, union representatives have written to RTE management to express their concerns over some aspects of the selection process. Union representatives are seeking clarification on how a presenter was appointed through the public process. It has requested a detailed explanation of the process and also wants to know the criteria used for the appointment. And an RTE source has said people are really frustrated with the current results of the expression of interest process. Many of those who applied for the roles would have only received a notification of an application, but no further communication on it. Another source says there was huge disappointment, especially among radio staff, after Claire Byrne announced she was leaving, not to mention all the upset around Ray D'Arcy's exit last week. Morale is quite low.